Hello students, today we will start chapter 2. In chapter 2 we will start with articles. So, what are articles? We know in English, a, and what? The are called articles. There are three articles. Which are they? A, and the. These are called articles. Okay, so these articles are also called what? Determiners. These articles a and the, they are also called determiners. Why they are called determiners? Because they affect the meaning of a noun. Okay, they affect the meaning of noun. Now you can see here in the picture articles. Which are articles? The, a and an. So articles are also of two types. They are also of two kinds. Definite article and indefinite articles. Okay, definite article and indefinite articles. So which is called a definite article? The. Article the is called a definite article. Why article the is called a definite article? Because they are used when, okay, article the is called a definite article because it is used when we refer to whom? To a very particular person or thing. So whenever we refer to a particular person or thing, we use article the. For example, see, one example is also given here. He is wearing the shirt which he bought yesterday. So which shirt is he wearing? The shirt which he bought yesterday. So here we are pointing out to a particular what? Shirt. That is why which article is used? Article the is used. So what is definite article? Definite article is used when we refer to a particular person or thing. Second is indefinite articles. There are two indefinite articles. They are a and an. So these a and an are called indefinite articles. Why? Because they are used when we do not speak of any particular person or thing. That means when we are not talking about any particular person or thing, then which article do we use? We use a and an. For example, see, one example is here. He bought a shirt. He bought a shirt. It's not referring to a particular shirt. That is why it is written what? A shirt. He bought a shirt. So now we know whenever we point out a particular person or thing, we use a definite article, and when we are not speaking of any particular person or thing, we use an indefinite article like a and an. Now let us start with indefinite articles. So here you will see indefinite articles is a or an. Where do we use a and where do we use an? That is important. A is used before consonants. Where do we use a? Article A. Article A is used before consonants. And article an is used before words beginning with what? Beginning with a vowel. Everyone knows what are vowels. Vowels are a. Which letters are called vowels? A in English. A, E, I, O, U. Here you can see. A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels. So the words which begin with a vowel. Okay. Then which article do we use? We use an. And with a consonant we use? With a consonant we use a. Here you can see example. A box, a pen, a lion. Okay, a box. Why we are using article a here? A is used here because it is beginning, box is beginning with a consonant sound. In pen, P is beginning with a consonant. And here lion, L is beginning with a consonant. In the second example, you can see an ant, A. Okay, ant is beginning with A. A is a vowel. That is why which article have we used? An ant, an eye, an orange, an umbrella, an interesting book. Now see here. If the first letter of a word is a silent H, okay, this is important. If the first letter of a word is silent H, it is treated as a vowel. For this purpose, what do we do? Okay, it is treated as a vowel if a word is beginning with a silent H. For example, see here. H-O-U-R. We don't say hour. We say R. So H is silent here. So whenever we have a word beginning with a silent H, which article do we use? We use an. Okay, an. The words which begin with H but H is silent. In all these examples you can see H is silent. So we are using article an. Then there are certain words which begin with a vowel but are pronounced as if they begin with what? With a Y and R. So there are certain words which begin with a vowel but they are pronounced as if they are beginning with Y. Okay. For example, here university. University, it is beginning with a vowel. But here it seems, okay, whenever we pronounce, it seems as if it is beginning with Y. University. Okay. European. Once again here also it seems as if it is beginning with Y. So such words which begin with a vowel, okay, which begin with a vowel, but it seems whenever we pronounce it, it seems as if we are beginning it with a Y. So in such a case, what happens? Which article do we use? We use A. We are not using an here. We use A, article A. And in this case, a word which begins with a consonant, okay, but the consonant is silent, H is silent, then which article do we use? We use an. Now see in this table also, use of A before consonants. Use of A before consonants. Example, a box, a book, a child, a chair. These are all, these words, these nouns are all beginning with consonants. Kite, that is why we are using which article here? A. So here, kite, rat, teacher, tiger. Then A before vowel sounding as Y-E, ye or W. European, European, European. It is beginning with Y-U sound. Utensil, university, and eulogy. Unique, book, a 1 rupee coin, 1, W-A, 1 rupee coin, one-eyed man, one-day match. So here we use A before what? Before vowel sounding as Y-U or Ya or W, 1. See in the next table. In the next table you will find, okay, the use of an before what? Before vowel sound. Use of an before vowel sound. Here in the table, an ass, an act, an apple, an ink pot, an orange, an order, an eye, an umbrella. So here an is used before what? Words beginning with a vowel, Okay, words beginning with vowel. Here all these nouns you can see that it is beginning with vowel. Now come to the second side of the same table. And before consonant sounds. Consonant sounding, okay, and before consonant sounding as vowel. Here an R, here H is silent. So here we are using what? An. An honest man, H is again silent. An heir, okay, an heir, here H is silent. An MA, an MSc. So here you can see that the words are beginning with a consonant, but here what happens? It is sounding as vowel. So here, is it clear? Let us revise it once again. Words, okay, articles. Which words in English are called articles? In English, a, an and the are called articles. These articles, a, an and the, they are also called determiners. Why? Because they affect the meaning of noun. So there are how many kinds of articles? There are two articles, definite article and indefinite articles. Article the is called a definite article. Why? Because it refers to a particular person or thing. And articles a and an are called indefinite articles because they do not refer to any particular person or thing. Now next we have discussed is indefinite articles. Okay, indefinite articles are a and an. So where do we use a and where do we use an? A is used before consonants and an is used before vowels. So which are vowels? A, E, I. Words beginning with, which are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. And the words which begin with vowels, then it is preceded by what? It is preceded by article an. And the words which begin with a consonant, we use a. Then we had discussed the table. Okay, use of a before consonants and use of a before vowel sounding as ya or va. So here the examples which are given, these are also very, very important. So when you will write down in your copy, okay, this is your homework. You have to mention chapter 2, today's date, write article, which are articles. Articles are also called determiners. Then next you will write is articles are of two kinds, definite article and indefinite article. Then you have to give the explain what is indefinite articles and what is definite article. Then here, where do we use a and an? This you will write down. Next you are going to copy down this table, okay, in your copy. And then also the turn the page and you will find one more table. This also you will copy down in your copy. So for today we are going to do till here, and whatever I said is your homework which you have to copy down in your copy.